My boyfriend and I are long distance and I'm going up to see him today, so let's get ready. Starting off with some Super Goop SPF because we will be driving 4 hours in the car today. Going into college, I was in a long distance relationship. Once that ended, I told myself I will not be doing long distance relationships in college. But then I fooled around and fell in love, and it's like way better than the song. So it is very much worth it. Also, I bought the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation that everyone's been talking about, and I'm so bummed because it gets here tomorrow and I won't be here, so I'll have to review it next week. In one of my classes right now, we're doing a group project on product development, and we're doing Rare Beauty. We chose Rare Beauty because their product development team has been on fire lately. However, Makeup by Mario's product development team is also on fire right now. Changing the subject, my dog is getting spayed next week. That's all I wanted to share. I just thought it was important. So my boyfriend lives in Atlanta, and it's supposed to snow there this week. It's supposed to get 3 inches, which is just absolutely crazy to me. So fingers are crossed that that actually happens. Okay, wait, I'm curious. What does everyone do if they're driving alone on a road trip? Like, some people listen to music, some listen to podcasts, some people call their friends. Personally, I listen to music, but I am curious. My mom just